Pinpoint Weather 12, a severe weather alert.
Well, if you take your smartphone and set it to the camera mode, coming up in a few seconds, you'll be able to scan a QR code. That'll help you to download the Pinpoint 12 weather app. Very busy weather ahead during the overnight through especially the morning commute. If I had to put a like a window of opportunity for the heaviest snow, the window is from roughly 5 in the morning until about 11 a.m. And during that stretch, 4 to 8 inches of snow. So let's get started first with the satellite and radar composite system that we're tracking is still, and there's that code, still about 400 or 500 miles away. And this is tracking north and east. So all the pieces coming together to develop an ocean storm, coastal storm. Here are the pieces 1 and 2. This is all tracking north and east. Area of low pressure south and east of Cape Cod intensifying tomorrow morning, but at the same time moving very rapidly. You know, sometimes our New England snowstorms can stall for 12, 15, 18 hours. This one's a fast mover. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if during the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow we get a little bit of sun coming out. So this is clearly a morning kind of a deal, a moderate snowstorm on the order of 4 to 8 inches of snow. The start time is around 3 a.m. while we're all sleeping. You wake up tomorrow morning at daybreak, the ground's already covered. The heaviest of the snow between about 5, 6 a.m. until 11 a.m. And during that time period, at times it may snow at the rate of 1 inch per hour. That's pretty heavy snow, so that's very poor visibility. Ending early afternoon between about 12 and 2. Obviously poor travel tomorrow morning. Cancellations already coming in, but it is drier the second half of the day. So I expect scenes like this tomorrow morning and even into the early afternoon as the snow ends. Steady snow, heavy at times, and it will be snow. Look at the temperatures in the upper 20s, supporting all snow and mainly nothing in the way of rain. So as far as travel conditions, no surprise here. Poor 5 a.m. through about noontime. Getting better just for the simple fact that the visibility will improve, the snow will ease, and that'll give the road crews a better handle as far as clearing the roads. I mean, it's pretty difficult for the plows to keep up with the snow when it's coming down at the rate of 1 inch per hour during the morning. So the threat tracker this evening is low. You know, it's not often we go with a severe weather alert, but certainly this is the case this time around for tomorrow morning for a number of reasons. Very poor visibility. You know, when you're snowing at the rate of 1 inch per hour, the visibility is like 50 yards. It's poor, moderate to heavy snow, and certainly slow travel, poor travel. Better tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. I mean, the roads are still snow covered, at least most of them. But at least the snow has ended, the visibility has improved. So here's the wider view. We have cold air in place that will support snow, and the storm will be tracking north and east. So when we take this into the future, here's the wider view. This is the strip of snow in blue. This is around 3 in the morning. It's on the arrival by 5, 6, 7 a.m. of very heavy snow. There's the storm offshore. This is 10 o'clock in the morning, still snowing. Watch the back edge. It's pulling away. It's racing away. Skies are actually clearing out by late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So I want to bring you in even closer. Find your town or neighborhood that you're interested in. Watch the time bar one more time. The blue is the snow. Now midnight, we're dry. You're running late evening errands. It's still fine. Here we go. The blue, the arrival time is during the 3 o'clock hour. Steady snow. The darker strips of blue indicate very heavy snow. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Look at noontime. A lot of it's already pulled away, and mid to late afternoon we actually get some clearing. Could see the sun for a brief time during the 4 o'clock hour before it sets. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, windy and sharply colder. Statewide, it is a 4 to 8 inches of snow. A little mixing on the lower Cape may hold the totals down there, but this is a moderate snowfall. So for tomorrow morning, it is really coming down hard, especially during the early morning. It is lighter by 11 a.m. It's dry or drier, better visibility tomorrow afternoon. The snow is easing, some partial clearing later in the day with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So there's your storm for tomorrow, especially during the morning. We're clear tomorrow night, sunshine, chilly. On Saturday, 32. Maybe the kids are sledding at that time. Some rain showers of all things late Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, milder with a temperature at 42. But Mike and Shannon, real bad timing here. It's a lot of snow over a short period of time, and that's why it comes down pretty heavy.
All right, Tony, thank you. And now for a look at what's coming up on News Nation tonight, here's Dan Abrams.